们的 cash money 哦。
Hi, I'm Nicholas.
Hi, I'm Rachel. We are the first 5 winner of Renopedia 50k Lucky Draw event. When we start for the renovation, I was searching through the website and it happened that I saw Renopedia.
I want to thank Supreme House Design to build my dream home. My ID, Cynthia and Isaac, put in a lot of effort for our dream home, put in a lot of time, everything.
During our renovation, they really helped us to follow up very closely. We feel at ease when we went out and work because we can trust our ID Supreme House to oversee everything.
I will use the amount to pay for the renovation and for our saving.
We will definitely recommend to look for Renopedia. They are very responsive. They will link you up from 5 to 8 interior designer. Our ID Supreme House is one of it they recommend to us. And they offer us a free quotation, free e-magazine, and also the home and travel insurance. Thank you, Renopedia!
Yay!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.